You've done the impossible here in Andhra Pradesh. There's a fine line between politics and film. It's all come together here at your rallies, sir.
No, because when I was in films, I never came out. I never gave hardly used to give interviews, hardly used to perform and do functions along. Apart from if people wanted to see me, they used to see me on screen. But first time, I think I got into politics only from 2009 onwards. I started being in public, and I'm deep down. I do what I say. I think it is more than cinema. They connected with my thought process or the way I approach life.
You know, I visited Pitapuram yesterday. A lot of the people I spoke to said, you know, what we love about Pawan Kalyan Garu is that he's invested so much personally in this, that you've used all of your own resources to fund your political journey. Has that been hard, but does that also mean you have so much more at stake in this election?
I don't believe in stakes because I believe, I'm a great admirer of Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan Guru, especially you're from Kerala, you're Narayan Guru and Nani Palkhiwal, apart from all our great national leaders. And I feel, you know, we were given democracy at a great sacrifice. We don't know the value of democracy. We don't work towards it as an individual. For me, I'm motivated more to strengthen democracy. Democracy cannot be taken granted. You should do your bit part. That's how I think I got myself into political process at an early age, maybe 17, 18. I started getting into that. That's why I was more of a social responsibility. I think slowly, that's what was reflecting in films. And I think that graduated me to politics.
But does it give you sleepless nights, sir, to think that, you know, I've put in so much and in a few days now, people will be voting and deciding my fate?
Well, no. I can say I would be tired.
It's not like a film release?
No. Even for film release, I don't know. Maybe I think I'm not a regular political personality. I think for me, I do I don't expect anything. When I do it with my complete heart into it. I put my heart and soul into it. I don't expect anything. If good happens, yes, I'll be energized. I'll be strengthened more. I'll be empowered. I think this time I'll have that little, josh in what I'm doing. I think it would give a good result. That's what I'm thinking.
You're contesting in the assembly elections, but somewhere down the line, do you also have national ambitions, Pawan Kalyan Garu?
For what? National ambition in what sense?
Prime Minister, Member of Parliament.
No. That is too much to think. For me, it's not about posts. You have to understand. It's not about. Definitely, I want to serve nation without a doubt.
So first step is Andhra?
No, not in terms of, for me, even right now I serve. It's not something, maybe it is not known to the entire nation, but I do serve. I do serve nation in whatever way, maybe communicating a thought, communicating about national integrity, communicating about certain policies, and I do communicate. So politically, if that makes me, I think, a substantial amount of spoken Hindi is needed, definitely. It's not just English. I think spoken Hindi, the grip or command over Hindi language is very essential.
How's your Hindi, sir?
I can read and write well. I can recite poetry. I cannot recite, but I do. I'm a fan of Ramdhari Singh Dinikar, Rashtrakavi Ramdhari Singh Dinikar. I do read, but the only thing is I'm not used to, I'm confined only to, my group is more of either we speak in English or in Telugu. Maybe because I grew up in Chennai, I know Tamil. But by Hindi I can read and write well, and I do understand well. But spoken Hindi, maybe a little practice is needed.
The Prime Minister is here. There's going to be a road show with you, with Mr. Naidu, everyone coming together. There was a video that went viral of you, sir, just a few days ago, where you were touching the Prime Minister's feet and he immediately stopped you. It's gone viral because he's immediately like, no, don't touch my feet. But do you look up to the Prime Minister in that sense as someone who's your guru of sorts?
Yeah, for me, he's like a guru and brother rolled into one.
An elder brother?
An elder brother. And I have extreme respect for him, so you have to understand my connection, my relationship with him much before he became a PM. And I really, because I feel country needs very gutsy leaders. So when Mumbai attacks happened, we were thinking 72 hours, we were in the state of we are in a state of fear. The entire nation is gripped with fear. I was thinking, how come if there is a leader, a charismatic leader, who would come out and open, would empower people and say something, how that would be? So for the thought process, always the thought used to match up with the Modi, always, though he was a chief minister of Gujarat. So when he finally was thinking about, I mean, when there, his name started coming out, so by then I launched my party. So I went and it's purely out of my respect and liking towards him. The moment I touch his feet, it is a very true feeling. It's not something. It comes from the bottom of my heart.
My final question to you, sir, is in Telugu for our Telugu audience. Telugu ప్రజలు మీకు ఓట్ చేసినారంటే మీర్ విజన్ ఏమి, మీర్ వాగ్దానం ఏమి ఆంధ్రలో?
సో ఫస్ట్ ఇస్ పొలిటికల్ అకౌంటబిలిటీ, రాజకీయ జవాబుదారీతనం. మేము ఈ పని చేస్తున్నాం, ఈ పని ఎందుకు చేయగలుగుతున్నాం, ఒకవేళ ఏదన్నా సరే ప్రజలకు వివరణ ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. అండ్ నిరంతరమైన వాటితోటి ఎప్పుడు నిరంతర అంతరాయం లేని కమ్యూనికేషన్ కాదు, మీరు అడుగుతున్న ఇంగ్లీష్లో పేరు తెలుగు మాట్లాడచ్చు. నెవర్ ఎండింగ్ డైలాగ్. కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఏమంటాం మనం? మాటలు ఆ మాట కరెక్ట్గా పడట్లేదు. అంటే నిరంతరం సంభాషణతో ఉండాలి జనంతో, సంభాషణతో. అండ్ థింగ్ వాళ్ళకి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్, నేను బేసిక్గా ఏంటంటే విద్య, వైద్యం, 6 points ఒక విద్య, వైద్యం, ఉపాధి, సాగునీరు, తాగునీరు అండ్ లా అండ్ ఆర్డర్. These are the 6 parameters which I would like to work on.